Hi, my name is Sheikh Xavier. I done the project of Power BI visualization of DAR. First, I am starting the share screening. I open the Power BI tool. We have seen that we have seen the data which we are collected from the data set, geography, manufacture, product, and sales. First, we are going to the table how we created it. The table, manufacturers table. This is data which we are collected from data set, and we can export the data into Power BI desktop. Later we have products. Later we have sales. We want to clean the data and manage the data clearly without null values. This is a DAX queries. We can pass the queries here and we can manage the data a step-by-step process. And we also remove the unwanted data also by using DAX queries. And we also have the new measures, quick measures here, new column. When we want the new column here, we can click just new table and we create the new table here. Then we come to this modeling. We have the manufacturer, product, sales, date, and geography. Here the key is we want to connect the data with sales of under sale. See, manufacturer is connected to the product and geography is connected to the sales. But product and sales are intersect. And sales is intersects with that. Like these intersections will click. Suppose we click on this line, it shows which the product we are connected. See, manufacturer ID and manufacturer ID. There is two common and sources are there. Like this, we are also we connect the which line is connected to that. Zip country and zip country. And we go on through next product ID, product ID. From the product itself is taken product ID. From sales is taken product ID. So mainly we can and link the data with similar sources only. See data and date here also. We get the data from these similar common sources. Like we are next we go for reports. This data will get this data which is we get it from the we get the data from here. See, we want data means Excel. We have data sets in Excel workbook or Power BI data sets. So text CSV files. This is the CSV files we are imported in this and we launched it here. Launch here. Again, we have one-to-one data here, product and geography, manufacturer. When we have multiple data and we have out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 folders, then we can combine. Suppose we get more, we click for more, then we can get the data from where we want. It's open the navigation toolbar. So we can also get the imported data from here also. Get the data from here also. Just by clicking workbook, test CSV files, Excel files, XML files, JSON files. Suppose you have a files in a folder, we can get this folder and we can combine it and launch the data here also. So we can get the data from anywhere just by navigating this. So there are so many ways to get the data from this type of resources. So let's come back to the reports. So we have created the vendor sales manufacturer analysis here. As vendor sale is say our owner company, and these are the top competitors of this company, vendor sale company. Premium is a premium is top competitors. We can see here top competitors and vendor sale. Suppose I click here, revenue by country and manufacturers groups. We get the data like this. This is chart of visualization. We can see a visualization stacked column chart. Fields. Suppose I click this chart, you can see this geography, which how we created this stacked column chart by using these fields. By how we created the stacked column chart by using these fields in the geographic table, we use it the country and district and state also. In manufacture, we use it manufacturers groups, that is top competitors and vendor sale. Or according to the sales, we use it the revenue, which state has how much revenue, and like that one. Again, we see here visualizations. After clicking the stacked columns, and we can see this axis. This we can give the axis to the country, state, and district. Suppose you want to the city also, just drag the city and keep here below the district. We see the districts also. Suppose we don't need it, just we need the districts and state, country, so we can cancel it. This is legend which we are using for manufacturer groups from the manufacturer table. So this is we are using from the visualization for dragging from the fields which we want, values, revenue, some mental fields. So you can drag just here which you want. Again, we can see here paint roller. We can give the access where in the column stacked chart, but we don't need here. Suppose I click the vendor cell here. So it's see here the data is changed. In USA, it is top competitor. Australia, suppose I click the USA. So the data is changed. Revenue trended up to 153, 154.39 increases. So this is come again. We want to initial state. We click here initial state. Control plus click. We get the data changed for the top competitors. This is a manufacturer analysis of vendor sale company. Suppose I want to revenue by growth year. Suppose I click here. Year 2013, 2015 like this, 2013 to 2013. I click on this. So the revenue for growth is decreases to 2016 to increases to the 2020 of top competitors. Suppose I want to vendor sale, just click on vendor sale. So it is revenue is increased and the growth is decreased. So we can see that by clicking this revenue on 2020, see this USA in manufactured goods made up of 62.95% of revenue. At this cost, revenue has exceeded the target of this cost. Suppose it is revenue. Suppose I want to growth, I click on growth. 22.9% in this 22.9, see 92% decreases to the 10%. Suppose I drill this, so I can see the quarter wise also, quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, quarter 4. So the revenue of vendor sale is increased in quarter 1 to the quarter 2 and decreased quarter 3 to quarter 4. Sorry. Growth is increased and decreased to the quarter 4, and revenue is increased quarter 2 and decreased in quarter 4. Suppose I need this to the year. So monthly wise, we can see this graph is changing from monthly wise. Like this, we can drill and draw, drill down and drill up. Here also we can see drill and drill up. You can see here USA is a country, Australia, Japan. Let's drill down to the states. Here is the USA states. Suppose I want to Australia states, just click on Australia. So it shows the Australia state. New Australia, New South Wales, Australia, Queensland, like this we can show this. Come to the revenue by sales scales. How we created it is means just I told that this is a gadget visualization. By in fields we can use POS scales and revenue to show the gadgets level from $0 million to total of 424.41 million dollars. The revenue of POS scales is $177.06 million of vendor sale. Suppose I want to popcorn creators, click this logo, change it. It is a top creators in Australia. In Australia, the state wise can see here is a monthly wise, and we can enable this. Disable, we are enabled by clicking on it and disable by clicking on it. So we can go this quarter wise and year wise. Perfect. And same it also we disable here and we can go back by upward arrow. Can see the country wise data. So you can use this. It is overall data where it is changed and where it is varies. You can see here by clicking on it in urban of matrix table, matrix visualization. Suppose I click on category. We can see also product segments, category revenue. By enable this drill down, we can go through step-by-step process. Segment, we can see here segment revenue, which segment it is used. See, it's changing the varies. Product of total growth is 19.02 and revenues 100%. Segment is 19.02 and the revenue is 100%. So like this. You can come to the initial state. By control, please click. We can come here, the initial state of top competitors, the US data, then we change into the undersell company data. So here's the overall top competitors are in the color of blue and Wondercell is in the color of dark purple color. Suppose I click on Wondercell. Control plus click, you can come to the initial step. Come to the market of total share next page. See, we can see here revenue by country and here by clicking on Canada state, it's changes. See, everything will be changes. Suppose we want to the view in public mobile view, just go on to the views and click on mobile view. You see here revenue by manufacturer, revenue by percentage. You drag and drop here, manufacturing group. By using this page visuals, we can create the mobile layout also. This is a visual we created here of mobile layout and come back to the page view. Let's come back to its original state. Then how we can share this, publish. I want to create dashboards. Just come to the home button and we can see here the publish button. We just click on this publish button. I already click publish it. Just we can go to the Power BI service. You log into your work office email, then it will you log into the work office email and give license. I use it pro for 1 month. 51 days. This is a trial version I am using here. Just like you also created that one and use this Power BI version for practicing. You will very use it. Just here we can see the labels here: home, favorites, recent, create, data sets which we are created with the sets we store here, and goals, which apps we are created. That's all showed here. Share with me. Deployment pipelines. Learn what we the data can learn here also by training videos are provided by this tool, and workspace which we are created the workspace are total workspaces are connecting which data reports and all dashboards are stored here. Suppose I have the my data workspace here. Suppose you want to create workspace, just create workspace and give the name for it like this. I open my workspace. I've given the name of VIP October Virtual Internship Program October Project to Diad. And suppose you want to edit it, just go settings and give your workspace name and apply it. You can apply the logo of it. So I created the dashboard here, and this is my data set, and this is my report. So I want to visually show you my dashboard. This is my dashboard of Undersell revenue by sales per year, how it is increased. So by country manufacturers, Undersell market share, see how is the share in USA. It is more share in USA than second is Australia, Japan, Germany, Nigeria, Mexico. And you can also see here the growth of Undersell company. So growth is 20%, 20.69%, and 100% revenue we can see here. The manufacturers are every year increased day by day. In 2013, 78 million dollars, 93 million dollars, and 10 million dollars. It is increasing year-wise step. Last 2020 increases 188 million dollars. So you can come back to the, suppose you want to share this workspace, give access here and just enter the email address. Suppose John 1919 member. The email address are not invalid or duplicate. John 1919 one or more email addresses from information. Suppose you give your email address and member admin, or you want to give the admin, members, or contributor, or viewer. Suppose email address are invalid or duplicate. I want to give the any can give the access here also by sharing your dashboards. View is list. Suppose I want to lineage. Shows this the relationship of, suppose we get the data from text and CSV files, and later we also get the data from the XLS sheets and the data from the folder sheet connected to data source here. So we can see that gateway. This is international sales. We get the data from the folders, and this is the dimensions. We can use the data from dimension XLS sheet, that is this geography, like that we can use this. This is the sales data which we get from the CSV files, and it is we get the data set here through So we can edit the data from the Power BI query editor, and we created the data set and given the name of Power BI Intelligence ANI AI is, and later we created the reports, and we later that from that reports we created the dashboards. This is the view, total view. You can see here by clicking the viewpoint. This is about it. Thank you for this. And suppose we want to create apps also, we can create here by going to workspace. By going to workspace, this is our workspace. I want to list now. List update app. I already created this app. So I suppose I want to update app. This will be show here. Give the app name, description. Then you want to logo means apply here logo also. App theme also you can see here. Later go to navigation. Navigation on. Give the name. And this is a dashboard link you have created. Copy this link and later we go to the permissions. Here enter this name, it's our group, or enter the organization. You want to give the access, update it. Just you want to give the links also. Here also our links. Let's see. So you want to see my apps. Click on the apps. I created the VIP Diad app. Click on this. You can get this USA undersell app. So you can visualize this. Watch which dashboard we have created, and just we want to change it to the app. So that's it. Thank you for this.